myself Sanjay and I'm from Welltech Multitech College. This is our project Live Image Animal Classification App using CNN algorithm. So these are the agenda of our project: problem statement, objective, abstract, introduction, existing system, proposed system, and so on. As of problem statement, our main objective is to build an machine learning module which is capable of identifying the animals based on the species, shape, size, color, and then provide a detailed description about it. So this project aims to develop a mobile application using MobileNet model to automatically identify animals from images, provide relevant information along with interactive chatbot and community form for user engagement. So objective of our project is to develop a image classification system for animal kingdom, integrating interactive chatbot to provide a detailed information about classified animals. System aims to enhance user experience by offering insights like habits, behavior, and so on, which serves as educational tool for wildlife enthusiasts, researchers, and then students. The system also allows user to share classified images and discuss the finding to community. Um, introduction. In our application, we are using Dart programming language. The purpose of Dart programming language is it works both on Android as well as iOS devices. And then Firebase for storage purpose, and then Firebase authentication to ensure user security, and then integrated chatbot is also added to further know about the animals, and then community post for user engagement. So these are the modules which we have implemented in our application: data collection and processing module, then image classification module, chatbot module, and then community module. So data flow diagram: user and then our mobile application. If a person is newly logging into the application, and then he can sign up, and then he can log in into the application, where once he logins to the application, there is an interface where user can upload a pic of the animal, or he can just take a pic of the animal, and then he can get a detailed description about it. So to make it more interactive, we have a integrated chatbot where if he wants to know about the animal, he can just query in the chatbot, and then he would get more insights about it. And then we have community post where user can share pic of the animals, and then uh, they can just share about the animals. So this is how our application looks like. This is the login page of our application, and this is the main page where we have a classification. Ask Me is nothing but a chatbot where a user can query. And this is how a user interface looks like. These are the software requirements and then audio hardware requirements. Let's see workflow of the application. So this is the Dart programming language. Let's run the application. This is how our application looks like. There's going to be a login page where a user can sign up. If he is an old user, he can just log into our application. So email password which user is entering will be safe. Firebase authentication is used to ensure user security. So this is how a user interface looks like: classification, ask me, community, and then feeds. So you can your user can just take a pic, or you can pick a picture from gallery and then upload it. Once picture has been uploaded, you can just get a detailed description about it, what animal it is, and then average height, weight, habits. These are some description about the animals. If user wants to know more about the animal, you can just use our chatbot where he can just query about the animal, and then he can get a detailed description about it. And this is how chatbot interface looks like. Let me ask something. What is the average height of lion? The average height of male lion is about 190 kgs, and then female lioness 126 kg. There is a community post where a user can take a pic, or he can just upload the picture of the animal, and then fill the required details. After filling the required details, he can just upload it in our application. So people who are using our application, they can see the uploaded picture and then a description. It will be like we can know more about the animal. And there are people who's passionate in growing a carrying of animal. So for those kind of people, our application will be more useful. Like you can just take a pic of the particular animal, and then he can just uh, write interesting things about the animal, like this is the habit. uh, there are something like about the animal which people might not know. Those information can be shared within a community, where people who are within the community can see the pictures, then view the description, then they could get an idea about it. Okay, there are something which we might not know. So file feeds, where once user uploaded the picture, pictures can be viewed in the feeds, and this is how our application works. Thank you.